University, it is my pleasure to welcome you all to this collective celebration of hope and responsibility as we come together to commemorate World Environment Day 2025. It is time for us to remember that real change begins with us. And today, we are proud to take action through two landmark green initiatives, which is the unveiling of the tree map of our campus and the launch of the Miyawaki Forest Project, a step toward building a more sustainable and ecologically rich future. Today, we are honored to have with us our Honorable Vice Chancellor and President of today's program, Professor Dr. M.S. Mudithaya Sir. We are also privileged to welcome our Chief Guest, Dr. Pratap Lingayya, State NSS Officer, Youth Empowerment and Sports Department, Government of Karnataka. A warm welcome to you, sir. To begin this event on an auspicious and thoughtful note, may I now invite Ms. Vinutini to lead us in the invocation. Deputy Registrar and Chief Coordinator of STG Cell, Nitte Deemtb University, to formally welcome the gathering and share the vision behind today's green initiative.
Respected Vice Chancellor Sir, Professor Dr. M.S. Mudithaya, Chief Guest for today's function, Dr. Pratap Lingayya, State NSS Officer, Mr. Shashikumar Shetty, NSS Coordinator, SK Pai Sir, all the heads of institutions, faculty, dear students and guests, and of course our STG coordinators. On behalf of the Sustainable Development Goals Cell, Nitte DU, it is my honor and privilege to welcome you all for a project which is extremely close to my heart, that is environmental sustainability. And taking a step towards this end, we decided to start with the tree count survey of our university campus. The total tree count of the entire university will be carried out in a phased manner, and this will enable us to assess the total carbon sequestration of our university campus, and thereby we ultimately plan to make our university campus as a whole carbon neutral. So in this context, the tree height, girth, latitude, longitude of each tree will be documented, and this will help us in assessing the total carbon absorption or sequestration. In future, these details, along with the type and name of the tree, will be incorporated in a mobile app, which will facilitate the user to access complete information about that particular tree in any of our campuses in the university. Today, we at Nitte University stand with great pride as we embark on a new journey towards increasing the green cover of our university. It has been the continued support from our beloved Chancellor, Shri N. Vinay Hegde Sir, our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. Mudithaya, Harsha Halali, our Registrar, and the management. This has encouraged us in launching the program of growing a dense plantation in a short time and a small space in this urban landscape. This is the Miyawaki concept, which was introduced by Dr. Akira Miyawaki, a Japanese botanist in the early 1900s. By planting sturdy shrubs, plants and trees of different sizes native to our land in close proximity with each other, say about 1.5 feet apart, the plants are inclined to grow straight
by competing amongst themselves for sunlight, and within a short period of 3 to 5 years, we can expect to see a reasonably dense forest. And the area earmarked for this project will be 15 cents of land in the slope opposite to the nursing college in the Paneer campus. We feel proud that perhaps we are one of the few universities in the country to embark on this beautiful journey of implementing the Miyawaki concept in our campus. Here we have used 15 species of native trees. I request all of you gathered here to kindly join us in planting saplings for the launch of the Miyawaki forest soon after this inauguration program at the dedicated site in the Paneer campus. At the outset, I would like to extend a warm welcome to our beloved Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. M.S. Mudithaya, who in spite of his busy schedule has made time to preside over our function. Sir has always been encouraging us towards sustainability in the campus. On behalf of the Sustainable Development Goal Cells NITEDU, a special welcome to Dr. Pratap Lingaya, State NSS Officer. Sir, we are indeed fortunate to have your esteemed presence in our university campus on this special occasion. Sir has completed his PhD from KSOU Mysore. He has 15 years of experience as Associate Professor in the Department of Political Science. He is currently working as State NSS Officer, Youth Empowerment and Sports Department, Government of Karnataka. Sir has organized many India, state and university level camps as an NSS program officer. He is the recipient of the Indira Gandhi National Award for the Best NSS Program Officer 2013-14 confirmed by the Government of India, and he is the first NSS Program Officer in the history of Bangalore University to receive this prestigious award. Sir is also won the State Award for Best NSS Program Officer 2011-12 confirmed by the Government of Karnataka. He has received the prestigious Kempegowda Award for the year 16-17 for outstanding contribution towards social service and sports. He has also been conferred an award from the Karnataka State Voluntary Blood Donors Association. I would also like to welcome all the university officials, heads of institutions who have been the backbone of all our STG related activities. A special welcome to Air Commodore S.K. Pai sir, who is the Deputy Director Estate Management, and Mr. Arjun K. Punja, Resident Engineer of NITE University, who have played a pivotal role in suggesting a suitable and accurate methodology for the process of tree count in the campus. Compared to the arbitrary conventional tree count technique which is being used all over and even earlier, this method using the total station equipment helps us to complete this process of tree count in an accurate and a time-bound manner. Last but not the least, a warm welcome to all the faculty, our SDG coordinators, NSS volunteers, students and guests for this function. Thank you one and all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, ma'am. We now arrive at the much anticipated moment, the unveiling of tree map of NITE University campus, a beautiful illustration of a commitment to biodiversity and conservation. The Miyawaki Forest Project is an initiative that promises deep ecological transformation and, as a symbol of gesture of a collective commitment towards sustainability and regeneration, I now request our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. M.S. Mudithaya sir, to present a sapling to our Chief Guest, Dr. Pratap Lingaya, and officially launch the Miyawaki Forest Project. I now request our esteemed Chief Guest, Dr. Pratap Lingaya, to share his thoughts on this occasion.
ವಿಶ್ವ ಪರಿಸರದ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಅಂಗವಾಗಿ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿರುವ ಮಿಯಾವಾಕಿ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ನ ಲಾಂಚ್ನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷತೆಯನ್ನು ವಹಿಸಿರುವ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ MS ಮುಡಿತಾಯ ಸರ್ ಅವರೇ, ಕುಲಪತಿಗಳು. ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಪ್ಯೂಟಿ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾರ್ ಆದಂಥ ಸುಮಾ ಬಲ್ಲಾಳ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರೇ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹರ್ಷ ಹಾಲಳ್ಳಿ ಅವರೇ, ವಿನಾಯಕ S ಶೆಟ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟರ್ ಅವರೇ, ಹಾಗೆ ಶಶಿಕುಮಾರ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅವರೇ, ಹಾಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳೇ, ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ NSSನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ. ಮೊಟ್ಟ ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯಕ್ಕೆ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇದೊಂದು ಉತ್ತಮವಾದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯ ಆಗಿದೆ. ವಿಶ್ವ ಪರಿಸರದ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಅಂಗವಾಗಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಏನು ಮಿಯಾವಾಕಿ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟನ್ನು ತಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ, ಇದು ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ತುಂಬ ಒಂದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ವಿಚಾರ ಅಂತಲೇ ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಮಾತನ್ನು ಈಗ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕುಲಪತಿಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ತೋರಿಸಿದೆ. ತಮ್ಮ ಏನು ಕಳೆದ ಸಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೀ ಆಡಿಟಿಂಗನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ತಮ್ಮ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ ವತಿಯಿಂದ. ಇದು ಸರ್ಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ NSS ರಾಜ್ಯ ಕೋಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ದಾಖಲಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ದಾಖಲಿಸಿ ಅದನ್ನು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಗಳಿಗೆ, ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರಿಗೆ, ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ತಲುಪಿಸುವಂಥ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ವಿ. ಇದು ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವು ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಹೊಸ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಸ ಒಂದು ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು, ಒಂದು ಜಪಾನಿನ ಒಂದು ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನದ ಮೂಲಕ ಇದನ್ನು ಈ ಒಂದು ಮಿಯಾವಾಕಿ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋದು ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟಿಗೆ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಡೀ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಕೈ ಜೋಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಪರಿಸರ ಏನಿದೆ, ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದನ್ನು ಸಂರಕ್ಷಿಸೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಭೂಮಿ ಇರೋವಂಥದ್ದು ಒಂದೇ, ಅರ್ಥ ಇರೋದು ಒಂದೇ ಅರ್ಥ ಇರೋದು. ಇದನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡೋವಂಥ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ. ಮುಂದಿನ ಪೀಳಿಗೆಗೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋಂಥ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂಥ ಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪರಿಸರವನ್ನು ರಕ್ಷಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ತಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೈ ಜೋಡಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ, ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಆಹ್ವಾನಿಸಿದಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ, ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಎರಡು ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words. As a token of appreciation, I now request our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. MS Muditaya, sir, to present a memento to our chief guest. Sir, we request you to kindly accept the small gesture of gratitude from Nitte University family. As we draw end to this event today, I request Mr. Shashikumar Shetty, NSS Coordinator, Nitte University, to deliver the vote of thanks.
A very good morning to each one of you, respected dignitaries on the dais and the presence in front of the dais. It is my honor and privilege to give a vote of thanks on this special day. First at most, I like to thank our today's chief guest, Professor Dr. Pratap Lingaya, sir, State NSS Officer of the Youth Empowerment Department, Government of Karnataka. Thank you very much, sir, for gracing the occasion. I like to extend my heartfelt thanks to our Honorable Vice Chancellor of the Nitte Deemed to be University, Professor MS Muditaya, sir, for all the support and encouragement to conduct this program. Thank you very much, sir. I extend a warm thanks to Professor Suma Ballal ma'am and Dr. Vinay Sheth who initiated this program and brought it into this stage. Thank you very much, ma'am. And I also acknowledge the presence of Professor J.P. Shetty, the Dean of Allied Health Institute, and all other dignitaries and head of the institutions for gracing coordinators, members, NSS coordinators, program officers and volunteers. Thank you very much.
Who came and graced this occasion and be a part of today's celebration and for reaffirming your commitment to our environment. Let's carry this spirit forward in our words, in action, as also in the way we live every day. I now request everyone to please rise for the national anthem. To kindly proceed to the designated Miyawaki forest site at the Panir campus for sampling plantation activity.